Yo, hello guys! Welcome to XMU X20 Legendary! Alright, so for today's video guys, so explain natin kung paano natin gagamitin yung ating hunt points doon sa ating na-hunt, doon sa nakuha nating mga hunt points. Okay? So dito nyo magagamit yung hunt points at dito nyo makikita guys, ipe-press nyo lang yung X. Yan mga idol, para mapunta kayo dito sa X shop. Okay, so nandito yung ating hunt points guys. Ayan, so punta kayo dito sa hunt points. Ayan, tapos ito yung mabibili nyo using your hunt points guys. Ayan, so makakabili kayo dito ng box of condom. Kaya plus 1 to plus 5. Yan, yung laman nito guys is excellent item. Okay, yan. So magandang mag-hunt kayo ng hunt points. Okay, yung hunt points guys, pwede siyang makuha dito sa Norea Invasion. Yung ating grizzly, white rabbit, tsaka yung pouch blessing. Yan, doon yung makukuha yung hunt points guys. Okay, so yon mga idol. So alam nyo na kung paano gamitin yung hunt points nyo. Okay, so yon. Follow for more guys. So thank you for watching. So download nyo na yan, XMU X20 Legendary. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye everyone.